nice and slow. Watch your step. All right, next one. Keep them moving, let's go. Clear on the left.
Okay, scan on the hide looks good. Core temperature is stable at 38.5.
Noted, doctor. Entering the hoof data now.
The automated system grades each animal in real time, ensuring optimal uniformity in hide quality and size before lotting.
Corridor clear, beginning transfer sequence. All vitals are stable.
The hides are loaded into these massive drums for their initial wash, removing debris before the tanning process begins.
The fleshing machine utilizes rapidly rotating blades to efficiently strip away any remaining flesh and fat, a critical step before the tanning process can begin.
The color consistency is holding steady at 450 nanometers.
Good, let's maintain the current settings.
Scan complete for batch 452, grade A.
Confirmed. Moving to Zone C.
Make sure the tissue is perfectly aligned.
Yes, it must be flawless for the shipment.
Check the manifest on line 3.
Looks correct. All labels verified for this batch.
Bay 3, clear to load. Manifest confirms all 20 boxes.
We've paired the signature gray leather with our new horn accessories. The velvet really makes the craftsmanship pop.